Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. As we're heading into a new trading week, I think it's going to be an interesting week because we might get a little bit more information about if gold has formed a lasting low here in this yellow support area, in this trend reversal area after it reached the golden ratio at 1907 and reacted quite nicely to it. So we have some potential here, but it's not enough yet to confirm a trend reversal. We're going to take a look again what we need to see this week in order to confirm a lasting low is in place for wave 2. Let's just zoom out first. Let's take a look at the why not have a look at the daily chart. The overall assumption is that a third wave peaked here in August 2020. The move down was a WXY structure into the October 22 low. It reached at the time our trend reversal area that we had already defined in, well, I can't remember when it was. I think we defined it at some point in March, April 22, but it was certainly on the chart. It's all on YouTube. So that was amazing because we turned around in this area. I did say from the beginning that price must hold the 1600 level. Yeah, very important. Also, for your info, the 1600 level needs to hold because the problem is if it doesn't, this is the 50% retracement level of the third wave. If it doesn't hold that level, then this is likely going to morph into a wave 2. The risk is still there. This could still be a high B wave. Yeah, A wave down, high B wave, C wave down. This could morph into a wave 2. And this could drop then much lower into the, I don't know, $1,400, $1,300 region, and it would be a wave 2. Okay, but we're not there. We did hold support, which is great. So at the moment, we're just following our script. We're following the script. It's basically, overall, the count hasn't changed for over a year, you could say, because we've come into the support region and the expectation was after a turnaround in this yellow box to rally in a fifth wave. And despite all minor fluctuations on smaller time frame charts, this is still working out. Okay, so the idea is that as long as we're holding the relevant support levels that we're going to talk about in this video, we should be heading higher, maybe not in a straight line, but the setup is quite bullish. So we should still head higher into the $2,500 region, I would say, in a wave 5, where we will complete, however, a larger cycle top. Now let's zoom in again. Go to the 4-hour chart. You can see that off this swing low, which was made in October, we moved up in a wave 1, came down in a wave 2. We hit our trend reversal area here. Then we moved up in a wave 1, and we're now coming down in the wave 2 again. We've got a similar setup, another trend reversal area, and I'm going to go with this wave count of a 1-2-1-2 setup as long as price is holding 1865. Below 1865, I may see all of this as one large wave 1. Talked about that in the last video, or even, I would have to count it as one large wave 1, and then we're coming down in a wave 2, and support would go a little lower. It would be my alternative bullish scenario, but for now, we're going with what we have, and as long as 1865 is holding, I focus personally here on higher. But we obviously still in a short-term correction and have no confirmation that price has already formed a lasting low in this wave 2. So if I zoom in a little bit more, we can see that gold makes an attempt. Yeah, it makes an attempt to turn around, but it's not enough yet. It's only a 3-wave move up. In the last video, I put onto the chart here what I now need to see to give, well, for gold to give us an indication that it has indeed formed the lasting low in the wave 2. At the moment, it's only a potential, but we have a small 1-2 setup here, which is, however, too small to confirm a trend reversal. I want to see the next larger degree. So I need to see wave 3 to be filled in. I need to see price hold a higher low in a wave 4 and then break out, ideally, of this wedge pattern in a wave 5. So I need to see these 5 waves. And if we say, okay, we're now in this small third wave, what do I need to see in terms of price level? I need to see the 1.618 extension at 1942. At the moment, it has only reached the 1-to-1 ratio at 1930. So yeah, it's going to be interesting. I mean, this could be a tiny 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more push higher would be great. And then holding a higher low and then one more high. And then we've got 5 waves up. That would be our first reliable signal that gold has bottomed here at the golden ratio, one of the most relevant Fibonacci retracement levels, and is moving higher in a third wave. On the flip side, if price breaks below that last swing low at 1908, then it's probably going to go a little lower, and it can use the entire area all the way down to 1865. Yeah, that's my update about gold. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.